Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys had seen from my previous video, I had hauled quite a bit of makeup. Quite a lot. And I wanted to do a tutorial using all of the products. I was very nervous, but not too bad for like true color look, like everything. There's not a single brown in this eyeshadow look. Zero. This is zero. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you're interested, just stay tuned. The tutorial's coming right up. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this video. If you did enjoy it and have not done so already, go ahead and click the red subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. This makeup look, along with all the other makeup looks that I have on my videos, will be placed on Instagram. First link in the description box down below if you are not following me already. 100% enjoyed creating this tutorial, so more colorful looks to come. Till the next video, guys, I hope you all are doing well and taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye, guys.